Okay, I just caught my second gator trout. I just caught the biggest, like I just let go the biggest trout I've ever caught. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to measure this. Look, I'm not gonna waste too much of your time on this intro because there's way too much good stuff in the video, including a personal best trout for me. But I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the real hero of the day. This guy right here. Very, very good friend of mine gave me this lure, I think about 11 years ago. I've managed to hang on to it all this time. It's been converted. It used to be 2 treble hooks, but now it's got treble in the front and 2 in the back. Had to cut one of them out of my leg one day, so that was great. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Big trout on the way. Got a fish, folks. Finally got a fish. Let's get my net. Hopefully let y'all see him. Man. Ooh, it's got a little something in him. Just a decent little speck here. All right, we finally caught a fish, y'all. So we got in the boat, pedaled a mile that way, and then a mile back to right where we started and catching fish. Right where we started. I'd rather not touch it if I don't have to wipe all the slime off of it. So I'm just gonna let them go, old net style. There you go. You just go on, Mr. Man. See ya. All right. Well, that's how it's done if you've got 2 hours to do it. So I think what I'm gonna do, since I caught a fish right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just butt myself up against the bank, fish a little bit more in this area. This is the creature that did it. This is the one that got him this morning. Couple quick twitches and then on the pause. It's always on the pause with this thing. And it's generally a second or two at least after the last twitch. They will let it sit there for just a second, look at it, and then get it. Let's get another one. So right now, I don't know if you can tell, but we've got a wind kind of coming through this canal, which, even though the tide's not technically going in, I mean, technically not coming out, rather, it's creating an outward current. So I'm trying to keep consistent with the current in this little floating bait so that at least it's going the right way. There we go. Hey, I'm recording. Okay. Probably another little speck here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it looks like a little speck. Got somebody with you? He had somebody with him. Let's see if we can't do the old easy release. Oh, yes we can. All right, that's 2 in the boat. Well, I leadered that one, so it counts. Hey folks, we got a fish. Oh, heck yeah. All right, let's see if we can't get this sucker in the boat. First of all, what are you? Ooh, you're a redfish. How about you? Oh, yes, nice red. Okay. Let's see. What do we got? Sure hope he's buttoned up good. Oh, it is not a redfish, folks. Oh, son. Wow. I'm excited about this. Man, all this pedaling around. For what? Pedal round for what? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, Miss Thing. Oh, Miss Thing. Here, let's just measure them against the boat first, and then we'll measure for real. All right, so got from there, got from that little strap tag to the end of the cup holder. Strap lock to the end of the cup holder. Okay, all right. All right, sweetheart. Let's get you back in the drink. I know you're good because you're big and you're strong and you're healthy and you were just eating. So, get her upright first. Oh, she's got it. That wasn't smooth, but it worked. Oh my. Folks, do we have another freaking legendary trout here? Yes, we do. Oh my gosh. Somebody's calling me. I ain't got time for that right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, folks. I really hope y'all can see him. Oh my. Okay. Come on over. Come on over. Whoa. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. It's all right. All right. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Head first. Oh man, I almost knocked him off. Come on, stay there. Oh boy. Oh boy, folks. Folks, this one's bigger than the last one. Oh my gosh. What is up with this morning, y'all? Need to change my voicemail too. I'm sorry I can't take your call this time. I'm catching a huge gator trout. Man, okay. Again, it's fish grip worthy. Oh. I at least want to get it so I can measure you, sweetheart. All right. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Let's see where we're at. Oh god. Okay, so this one goes from this knot right here to, man, just past this knot right here on the boat. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to measure this. Unfreaking real, y'all. Look at this freaking fish. Oh my gosh. This has to be the biggest trout I've ever caught. Has to be. Anyway, let's get her back. Unbelievable morning, y'all. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right. Let's get the hook out first. On by one hook on that treble hook. Oh my gosh. One more look. One more look. Go on, baby. Oh, yes, ma'am. So should I leave them alone yet? Have I put a sufficient hurting on the gators this morning? Wow, this is my thrilled face.
Keep on